G'day, g'day, g'day. Back on the water. This time we're up at Hinchinbrook and we're coming out of Cardwell. And people are laughing at me. Lenny on the right, Kai on the left. I mean, not hard to pick who's Lenny or who's Kai, but I've had a rough night. All right, I'm not feeling real flash. We're going to head over to the island. We're doing some product testing on the boat. We're just sorting Kai's boat out, sounders and that sort of stuff. So we thought, we've got a couple of hours up our sleeve, let's go do a bit of fishing. Now, I'll give you the history about this place here, Hinchinbrook. What do they call it here? Hinchinbrook Marina, Hinchinbrook Marina, right? Flash Murray place before Cyclone Yasi, and it pretty well buggered it all up, and there's been no maintenance on the place since the cyclone. I think that was in 2011. And you'll see all the mangroves are now growing. You can't, you know, it needs dredging. They had the money for it and decided to do something else and whatever. So the place is pretty well ruined. But we'll head over to the island. To get out of this place you need at least, I think, about 1.4 meters now to get out. Very unfortunate, hasn't been looked after, and it is what it is. You can see how the place is just, right, it's doomed now. You've got all the marina in there, and eventually they won't be able to get out because of all the trees. Look at that. What a waste. And you have a look at the pylons. That's where all the pontoons were, and you look at the ones on the far right, the red and the white, see how high they are. Look at the ones in the middle, see how low they are. When Yasi hit, the water just came up and lifted them off, and all the boats ended up in those houses way over there. The day Yasi hit, it was a high tide, it was a 4 metre tide. It's the 2nd of February or 1st of February or something like that. The water came all over here, all through those houses. So yeah, you had a 4 metre tide, a king tide, and then you had cyclone surge. That was not nice. Anyway, we'll get over to the island and we'll get into it. Well, that was a quick trip over. Hopefully we'll get a few. As you can see, we've got the sounders sorted. It's probably something I should have known earlier, but anyway, we'll see how we go. Right, let's get into it. Now, where do you want to stand?
I'm happy over here because that way, because you cast with your right, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you cast with your left. Yes.
Behind you.
Yep. Right, when you fish along here, you got to be, and I know I say some places you got to be very careful, but all the places I fish you have to be careful because we're fishing in very shallow water. Like we're in 1 meter here, and you've got to watch what you're doing. You can't let your lure sink too much because this area is very rocky area, and you just got to be a little bit careful. Oh, yep, got him. Oh, he's a good one too. Hey, that might be a jack. No, it's a barra. Yeah. Oh, I lost him.
Oh. I'm going over to Black Oak.
Good cast, good cast. Got him. I'm on. It's a baby.
Barra and his first one on the boat. That's all that matters.
Yeah, the first fish.
Woohoo!
Doesn't count.
Yeah.
Marsh fly's biting my back.
Yeah, I had one before too.
Mm.
Pissed me off. I nearly fucking backed into you just to try and kill it.
Oh yeah, that's what you want to do. If it ever happens and you do this to me, I know exactly why it is.
Oh, he's got a nice tap then.
Oh, good.
Come on, baby. I said you got to get one soon. Otherwise, I can't keep not getting a fish.
I mean, I'm jumping them off. Oh, gotcha.
Like that.
Like that.
He's blunted all his hooks off so Lenny can catch the first one. Have you looked at your hook?
It's a brand new hook. I just put a new one on. The last one was a bit dodgy, so I gave it to Lenny.
Yeah, thanks.
It's in a tree somewhere.
So, are you going to put the KD2 or the Night Dragon on the consoles?
One of the consoles.
Are you going to put Night Dragons on the boat? Just
Oh, I'm
for
going to put it on the console.
For the comp, yeah.
At least.
Did you get bumped then?
Yeah.
Thought she did. I watched the rod load up. Oh, here she's up.
Woohoo! Come on, Lenny. Finally.
That needs a net. Hang on. I'll boat the first fish. Oh, Ollie, look at that.
Like that's a rat.
It is, isn't it?
Oop.
At least I brought mine on board.
Well, now we can start catching fish. So
Finally.
what fish?
You know, the tide, was the tide right? Remember that place we got most of those barra for the comp?
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, tight. We can't get in there.
Oh, can't we?
No. We're running out of water. By the time we get there, it'll be sand. Yeah, I seriously thought about that. Good country.
No worries.
We're moving on too.
Oh, missed him. Got him. That's it. Oh, it's a barra. They're so tiny.
They're tiny, aren't they? Weird.
Look at this. I don't think I've ever caught a barra that small. This is very stable.
Be nice to see what it's like when you catch a decent fish, though.
Yeah, it'd be good, wouldn't it?
Can't Lenny catch something
I think with
big.
Lenny's fish and my fish, we still didn't make 60. Oh, she's got hit again, and she's on.
Woo. Come on, baby.
That's
catch
a good.
something.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a better one.
It's not legal, but it's better.
Oh, Lenny! Give me some skin, girl. Oh, that'll do.
What's your beer? What's your beer?
What's wrong? Back in a second. Don't know. Where?
One there. See the shadow
Yes.
looks like it's there?
It's a barra. You'll get them through here. Best time to fish here is winter. Yeah, these rocks get hot and the barrows will hang around them. We're getting out fish, mate. This
There.
make that 3 to
I was
1.
just going to say just there, right where she is now.
Only a little.
It's not a barra. It's a grunter.
Brother.
Here's a little grunt grunt.
Tell you what, we'll take it.
Have in your bags.
They'll hang around this in the dirty water here, along these trees here. Ooh. Oh, geez, she's on all right.
Nice.
Oh, it's a thready. It's a thready.
Oh, you have to ring. If you bring that in, Lenny, you've got to ring Marty.
Go around the back, mate. Go around the back. Go around the back. Go around the back. Oh,
Oh, how good is that?
how good is that?
Well done, baby.
That was cool.
Holy Tom Dooley.
You know,
You want to measure it?
Oh yeah, we'll definitely measure it. Back in a second, people. Look at that thready. Right, that wasn't a bad little session. Lenny kicked our ass with a nice thready and a couple of barrows. We've only been on the water for a couple of hours. We only wanted to check the boat out, see what it could do, and try a few things. We've done that. Tomorrow, we're going to go and have a crack at some finger mark at the jetty. So the next time you see me, we'll be at the jetty. Catch us later. Oh, it's the next day. We're prepping and we're off to the jetty. We'll see how we go. She's a bit crowded here today. A few boats. Some people don't know what to do. Leave headlights on. Please turn your headlights off when you get on the ramps. Makes it easier for everybody.
I don't know.
Have you still got your lure?
Yes, he does.
Oh, here we go.
No, it's not that.
No, you got something, mate.
Something decent.
I don't know where you are.
I'm over here.
Okay, gotcha.
You all right?
Yeah.
It's
That's a
nothing
mackerel.
special.
That's
Yeah.
a mackerel.
I say it's nothing special.
Oh, that has attitude. Okay, I need to get out of your way. And I need to, I need to get the net. So just hold him off for a second. Okay, righto, I need the net. Okay, we need to... Was it a mackie or a scad? Oh, it's a madfish, it's a finny scad.
Oh, he's foul hook, that's why.
Yeah. Little finny.
Yeah, I think he was just, I think he...
No, he's hit you, that's in his mouth. He's hit you, and the other hook's just wrapped around him.
Because like it was literally on the drop.
This is what a finny scad looks like, Lenny. Ooh. Dunk dunk.
I'll have the net for you in 10 minutes, so just hang on. Just hold him off there for a minute.
I'll grab the bogers.
Come on, baby. Now the last little piece. Woohoo! Gotcha.
Oh. Oh, yep. On.
Ah, look, now we get the net out.
It's nothing. It's a scad.
That's one. Other one. You right? You don't need the net, do you?
No, God, no.
I was going to say, because I don't want to give it to you.
I don't want the net. Well, that was a big donut at the jetty. We did 2 hours and nothing, so we've gone back into Hinchy, and we'll go chase some barrows. See when we get there. what the hell am I doing up there? Jesus.
That's where the big ones are.
Yeah. Yep. Oh. Don't know what that was. See how it goes under?
Mm.
Yeah. They'll sit in there. I've come here, you can see them sitting there.
Yeah.
Right. And in that got both of them. And in that little section there, they'll be in there. Got him. There he is.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, we'll keep him.
Very nice.
Just okay. All right.
Nice.
Very
Oh.
nice. I was looking at the fish. Can I have a look at it? It's a nice colour. Wow.
Well, you're very lucky because we don't want you. So you have your freedom. And in you go. Wood, wood.
How much wood you?
All right. As you saw, that one got put back. He was dark too.
Mm.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Let's not.
You might want to change that out.
Yeah, I think that's strongly recommended. Here's some. I nearly made a blue. Always check your leader. I'm not feeling it.
No. It's much nicer, there's a lot less water here.
Yeah, too much water. It's a dangerous cast. I got away with it. Got him.
Beautiful. Nice, Marty.
Oh yeah.
Got the net one?
We might keep this one.
I think we might be.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
He's under the boat.
You put him round.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
I said, no, I said when you bring him round, I'm right.
I'm going to bring him straight to you. Oh, maybe not. Oh, come on. Concede defeat.
Good job. Well done.
Nice fish.
That one we'll keep.
Where's the... Oh, behind you.
What's up?
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Came straight out. We'll be back. Righto. we've had a bit of a flick, we've had a bit of fun. We don't need to be on the water all day. We've got to feed. We'll head back and play with the boat. We've got a few things we've got to massage, and we'll get back onto it later tomorrow. Catch us.